Hello, welcome. In this video, we will explore how to cut and join video clips without re-encoding using Fast Video Cutter Joiner. This powerful tool allows you to edit your videos quickly and efficiently, preserving the original quality while saving you time. Go to the official website and download the software. It's only a few megabytes in size, making it quick and easy to get started. Once the download is complete, open the executable file. Next, accept the user agreement and click the Next button. I recommend keeping the standard installation path for convenience, and you can also choose to create a shortcut on your desktop for easy access. Finally, press the Install button to complete the installation process. Not so fast. The installer may come bundled with additional software that you probably do not want or need. Be sure to carefully read each step during the installation process and decline any offers for extra software. Whenever in doubt, it's a good practice to upload the software to VirusTotal for a security check. This service scans the file with multiple antivirus engines to ensure it's safe to use. Additionally, consider using a virtual machine for added protection. This way, you can test the software in a controlled environment without risking your main system. Once you've declined those offers, you can proceed with the installation as planned. Press Finish to start the application. The application features two main functions: cut and join. The Cut button lets you trim video clips without re-encoding, while the Join button allows you to combine multiple clips into one file, also without re-encoding. These simple functions make Fast Video Cutter Joiner an efficient tool for quick video editing. Press the Open button to select the video file you would like to cut. I'm using one of my own videos to avoid any potential copyright issues. After adding the video, use the preview feature to watch it. You can move the white playhead to navigate through the video. Additionally, you can use the buttons located to the left and right of the play button to move frame by frame for precise editing.
Use a visual shot of that screen window in CapCut. This will gather information about the window.
If you want, you can take a snapshot of a particular position in the video by pressing the camera button. This feature allows you to capture still images from your video for reference or use in other projects. Move the yellow arrows left and right to define the start and finish points of your cut. This allows you to select the exact portion of the video you want to keep. You can also use the left bracket and right bracket buttons to adjust the start and finish points of your cut. These buttons provide an alternative way to define the specific section of the video you wish to keep. Once you're satisfied with your selection, use the plus button to add another segment to your cut. As before, select the region of the video you wish to keep. What I like to do is copy the end time of the first segment and use it as the start time for the second segment. This ensures a smooth transition between the clips. For this tutorial, I set the end of the second video clip randomly and then added a third segment. I copy the end time of the second video clip to use as the start time for the third segment. This method helps maintain a seamless flow between the clips. To ensure everything is set up correctly, use the play button in the segments.
But just use printing precursor. Also, I'm happy to create a script that automatically closes the nag windows in CapCut, ensuring us.
Assuming everything is set up as you want, before cutting the video, quickly go over to the settings by pressing the Cut button. This will allow you to adjust any necessary options before finalizing your cuts. Here, you can define the output folder and file name for your video. The file name is previewed above. What I often like to do is change the file name from the default date and time format to a simple number for easier organization. Once you're satisfied with your settings, press OK to confirm. Press the Cut button to finalize the process and cut the video into the 3 segments as visualized below. This will create the separate clips based on your defined selections. Note that the software only allows 5 uses in the unregistered version. After reaching this limit, you will need to register or purchase the full version to continue using all its features. Here, you can define the option for Fast Cut, which is quick but may not be as precise regarding the exact cut location. Alternatively, you can choose the record video option, which is more accurate but slower and may deteriorate the video quality due to re-encoding. If you only wish to save the audio from your video, select the Save as MP3 option. This allows you to extract the audio track while discarding the video. If you want to create a single output video file, select the All segments into one checkbox. Press OK and wait for the process to finish. Once the message indicates that the task has been completed, press the Open Folder button to access your newly created video files. Here, you will find the 3 segments you created, along with any snapshot pictures you took during the editing process. To join video files, press X to go back to the main window and then select the Join button on the right-hand side. This will allow you to combine multiple video clips into a single file. Press the Open button and select the video clips you want to join together. You can position the clips using the up and down arrow buttons. This allows you to arrange the order of the clips before joining them, ensuring they play in the desired sequence. Once you're done arranging the clips, press the Join button. Another limitation of the unregistered version is that you can only merge 2 videos at a time. However, this is not a problem. We can easily work around this limitation by first merging the first 2 videos together, and then joining that combined file with the 3rd video. This way, you can create a single output video without any issues. Press the garbage icon to remove all clip segments from the list. After joining, press Open to select the merged video of clips 1 and 2, and then add video 3. This will prepare all the segments for the final merge into a single video file. Make sure that you don't use an existing file name for the new output. Once you've confirmed that, press OK to proceed with the merging process. Now that everything is done, close the application and take a moment to compare the results. Review the final merged video to ensure it meets your expectations and that all segments flow smoothly together. By the way, I made a video on how to compare 2 videos visually on my channel, so if you're interested, be sure to check it out. In case you like the software but do not want to spend money, you could try Lossless Cut as a free alternative. This tool offers similar functionality for cutting and joining video clips without re-encoding, making it a great option for those on a budget. Lossless Cut comes with plenty of features and is easy to use, so be sure to check it out. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to edit videos efficiently without the hassle of complex software. So that was my video on how to cut and join video clips without re-encoding using Fast Video Cutter Joiner. I hope you liked it. Be sure to join me next time for more tips and tutorials.